Now let me show you how to create multiple routes. But first, let's make our code cleaner. So let's remove this space. And instead of putting this 3000 here and duplicate it here, we can store it in a constant. So const port equals to 3000 and replace this 3000 with port. And let's change this string to the new template letter string of JavaScript. So let's make it backtext. And instead of this 3000, we're gonna just pass the port. This code, what I've done here is a basic JavaScript code, okay? Now let's create a second route. For example, app.get and put here the route name. For example, about. And then we're gonna add our callback, request and response. And we're gonna return in the response. Let's just return about page like this. Now, if you go to our Chrome after saving, if you add here /about and press enter, oops, let's check our server. We forgot to run our server too. So let's just type npm start to start our server. Now let's go and reload again. Now we are in a about page. Let's create another route. So let's copy this code and paste it here and add, for example, contact. And make this contact page. Now let's go to Chrome and change this about to be contact. Now we are in contact page. And if you just return it to about, you are in about page. Now I have a task for you. And this task to create a route to return home. Name this route with home and return it inside it home page. Now pause the video and try to do the task with yourself. Now here is the solution. Just add another route with the name home and return inside it home page. So if you go to Chrome and replace this about with home, you will be in the home page.